Hello, I'm Andrew Lash and I'll be taking you through this next lesson on the OWASP AI Exchange. In this lesson, we'll explore the AI security testing chapter of the AI Exchange. You'll learn the following: an introduction to AI security testing, threats to test for, red teaming tools for AI and Gen AI, open source tools for predictive AI red teaming, and open source tools for generative AI red teaming. The link to the AI Exchange security testing page is located on the screen at https://owaspai.org/docs/5_testing. Let's move into the first section, which covers the introduction for AI security testing. AI security testing assesses how resilient AI systems are to attacks. It integrates traditional pen testing, model validation, and AI-specific red teaming, where simulated adversarial scenarios test the model's ability to resist manipulation or data compromise. Why does this matter? Unlike typical software, AI models can be tricked or poisoned. Testing helps uncover weaknesses that affect trust, accuracy, and compliance, ensuring the model behaves as intended under hostile conditions. The benefits are as follows. It detects data or model poisoning and integrity issues. It validates security controls and model trustworthiness, and it strengthens resilience against adversarial attacks. Best practices are as follows. 1. Follow a systematic testing process. So, understand model, identify threats, simulate attacks, assess risks, and validate fixes. 2. Tailor tests for predictive models, for example ML classifiers, and generative AI, for example LLMs. 3. Integrate testing into the secure development lifecycle and continuous validation pipeline. And 4. Use frameworks like OWASP AI Testing Guide for consistency. AI red teaming goes beyond accuracy checks. It actively challenges the system's defenses. Regular AI-specific testing ensures robustness, safety, and compliance in real-world operations. AI red teaming tools simulate real-world attack scenarios against both predictive and generative AI systems. These tools enable organizations to assess vulnerabilities, automate adversarial testing, and score risks, aligning results with established frameworks like the OWASP AI Exchange and CSA's Agentic AI Testing Guide. Why does this matter? Predictive and generative AI each face unique threats, ranging from data poisoning and evasion to prompt injection and output misuse. Red teaming helps uncover and mitigate these risks before attackers can exploit them. The benefits are as follows. It enables systematic attack simulation and risk quantification. It improves model robustness and trustworthiness, and it supports continuous AI assurance and compliance programs. Best practices are as follows. 1. Use the periodic table of AI security for comprehensive threat mapping. 2. Employ automated red teaming tools for efficiency and repeatability. 3. Align tests with AI paradigm type, such as predictive versus generative. 4. Include attack scenario design, execution, and risk validation phases. And 5. Reference CSA and OWASP guides for evolving best practices. AI red teaming tools provide practical means to probe weaknesses and reinforce defenses across diverse AI systems. Regular testing, guided by threat libraries and structured methodologies, ensures proactive, resilient, and secure AI deployments. Red teaming tools for AI and Gen AI. The mind map displayed provides an overview of open source tools for AI red teaming, categorized into predictive AI red teaming and generative AI red teaming, highlighting examples like ART, Armory, Text Attack, and PromptFu. These tools represent current capabilities but are not exhaustive or ranked by importance, as additional tools and methods will likely emerge and be integrated into the space in the future. It is recommended that you perform your own testing using these tools to determine which one provides the best capabilities for your use case. The AI Exchange goes into further detail on some tools with their capabilities, as you'll see in upcoming slides. So we can see in this slide deck we have the open source tools for AI red teaming, and it's split into predictive AI red teaming and generative AI red teaming. And under the predictive AI red teaming, we've got an ART, Armory, Fullbox, DeepSec, and Text Attack as some example tools, and this splits out into further information on the types of tests that these tools actually perform against the AI. This diagram categorizes threats in AI systems and maps them to relevant open source tools designed to address these threats. So we can see here we've got the threats, which include development time, model poisoning, evasion, model theft through use, etc., and red teaming tools that can be used for each of these threat types. This section introduces leading open source tools used to test and harden predictive AI systems against security threats such as evasion, data poisoning, and model theft. These frameworks are widely adopted in both research and enterprise environments to evaluate model robustness. The table provides a summary of the tools for predictive AI red teaming. Be sure to check the AI Exchange website for a full description of each tool's capabilities, including popularity, licensing, community support, scalability, etc. As mentioned previously, it's recommended that you perform your own testing to determine which tool provides the capabilities for your use case. So we can see in here we've got the adversarial robustness toolbox, and the developer is IBM Research and the Linux Foundation AI and Data. The tools here are all developed with the Python language, and they provide detection capabilities, and you can see also that under the AI Exchange coverage you can see the types of threats that can be tested against. So for the adversarial robustness toolbox, or ART, it includes tests for development time model poisoning, model theft by use, evasion, and model inversion or membership inference. And you can see the same for these other tools as well. This table provides a summary of the tools for generative AI red teaming. Be sure to check the AI Exchange website for a full description of each tool's capabilities, including popularity, licensing, community support, scalability, etc. So we can see here in this table for generative AI red teaming tools, we have Pirate, Garak, Prompt Fuzzer, Guardrail, and PromptFoo. The developers, all of these except the PromptFoo are Python, but also includes Node.js. The first three include mitigations for detection, but the Guardrail and PromptFoo provide prevention and detection capabilities. And as mentioned previously, the AI Exchange coverage column shows the types of threats that they test against. This concludes the lesson on AI security testing and associated tools that form part of the OWASP AI Exchange. I hope you will join me in the next lesson, which covers AI privacy. Goodbye.